Lost your Xumo TV remote? No problem. You can still connect to Wi-Fi using a USB keyboard or your smartphone. For the USB keyboard method, simply plug a compatible keyboard into your Xumo TV's USB port. Navigate to the network settings and use the keyboard to type in your Wi-Fi password. Alternatively, use the Xumo app or your device's app like Roku or Amazon Alexa on your phone. Pair it with your TV via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. The app provides a virtual keyboard for easy password entry. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is stable and you have your password handy. For added security, use WPA3 encryption. Let's dive into each method. For USB keyboard, go to your Xumo TV's settings, typically under Network or Connections. Select your Wi-Fi network and use the keyboard to enter your password. The process is similar to typing on a computer. For the phone app method, download the Xumo app or your device-specific app, Roku, Fire TV. Enable remote control features and pair your phone with the TV. This often involves connecting both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or using Bluetooth. Once paired, use the app's keyboard to enter your Wi-Fi password. This setup is generally faster and more convenient.